2020 Lexus LX570. As you can see, we've installed the Hamilton Motor Company Apple CarPlay upgrade kit. We have this absolutely beautiful display. All of your apps that have an Apple CarPlay component will automatically show up. In this case, we're using Apple Music. However, if you used Spotify would be here as well. You can use your mouse. Your vehicle mouse will interact with this interface. It feels very seamless, and you can use it to play music on Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, any music app you might choose. You can also use your phone app here. You can make phone calls. What folks really like Apple CarPlay for is going to be the Apple Maps or Google Maps, Waze, whichever it is your choice, but having this large navigation here. Of course, if you don't want to use your navigation via the mouse, we'll show you. You can simply put it on your phone and it will mirror your phone. As you can see, the maps on your screen will mirror the maps on your phone. So you can put in a destination, hit go, and just like that, the map will appear on your screen. At any time, you can switch back to your original interface just by holding this menu button here. You hold it for 2 seconds and all your original features are available underneath your brand new CarPlay system. Holding that menu button will take you right back to the Apple CarPlay also. As you can see, let's say you start up your car, you put it right in Apple CarPlay. If you shift into reverse, all of your features are still here. Your parking sensors are still here. Your reverse camera is still here. Your 360 camera. And if you put back in park, it comes right back to Apple CarPlay. So that's something folks ask us, can I go from CarPlay or an app in CarPlay to reverse? And the answer to that is absolutely you can. Another feature people really like about having Apple CarPlay is hands-free text messaging. This original voice button will now work for Siri. Hey Siri, send a text message to Adam.
What do you want to say to Adam?
It's really cold in North Carolina.
It says, it's really cold in North Carolina. Send it?
Send it.
Done.
CarPlay really makes your Lexus feel like a brand new vehicle. Whether you're using iBooks or Audible to listen to audiobooks or listening to music or using Siri, this seamlessly integrates with your system. You won't lose any factory functionality. All your controls will continue to work, including your steering wheel controls, as you can see here. Every button continues to work. If you have any questions or need any help setting it up, we have a variety of videos on our YouTube channel. We have videos that'll show you how to pair Apple CarPlay. If you're an Android person, we also have videos that'll show you how to set up Android Auto. You can check out our YouTube channel. You can also email us or give us a call at 919-858-2890, and our tech support guys will be more than happy to walk you through anything you might need.